Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can use plugin SEO and install it in Shopify. So first, when you're here in Shopify, what you're going to do is you go to apps here, click on it, and type in plugin SEO. Okay, there it is. Click on it, and then click install. Okay, when you're here, you can just click install again, or if you want to read all of this, you can. I'm just gonna click install real quick. Okay, so when you're here, you can just view other plans if you wanna, check the pricing. But for me, I'm just gonna quickly click escape, and now you can actually see there's a lot of things going on here. You can go to Keyword Studio, and you can add some new keywords if you want. But for me right now, there is my Gmail, email sign up for, and sign up. As you can see, there is the monthly search volume, and you can see for each keyword is different, and there's also the level of the competitiveness. And then you can also go to SEO scanner. As you can see, there's homepage, and you can actually just scan this real quick if you want. But for me, I'm just gonna go to blog here. Okay, you can also type in your blog URL, website URL, and other stuff like this. You can also go to broken links, but it's locked. You need to pay for it. And then let me just show you that I'm gonna quickly run a scan here for my Shopify store. Okay, click let's go. Okay, so it's my summary panel. So it explains to you what you need to add to your store, For example, the summary panel. The summary panel makes it easy to see how many checks resulted and critical issues, warnings. Okay, next. Okay, learn about action items. Okay, let's go to the page now. Alright, so as you can see, it is basically like just scanning your stuff, That's all for today, guys. Now you know how to use plugins SEO in Shopify and how to install it. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.